So before moving in detail about the services provided within Microsoft Fabric, let's first discuss about Onelake for all the data. So uh, when we talk about Microsoft Fabric, Onelake is the integral part of Microsoft Fabric, because everything we are going to do in Microsoft Fabric, all the data that is we are going to work on will be getting stored in Onelake. So Microsoft is calling it as the OneDrive for data. So if you have worked with on Windows, then you are familiar with you must have familiar with OneDrive. So whatever we do, it get automatically saved on OneDrive, and we can access it on any machine. We just have to enter our credential, and then we can access our data anywhere at any time. So the same goal is of Microsoft Fabric, that we can access our data anywhere. We don't have to depend on our machine that whenever we get access, then only we can work. We just have to access available with our ID and passwords, and then we can access our all the items or all the data anywhere at any time. So there are various services provided, as you can see on screen: Data Factory, Synapse Data Engineering, Synapse Data Science, Synapse Data Warehousing. We are going to talk about each one of them later. So these all the backend. In the backend, the data is getting stored into Onelake. So on the right hand side, you can read about it. It is a single software as a service lake for the whole organization. In Onelake, we can store all type of data, either it unstructured data, semi-structured data, or structured data. Then it is provisioned automatically with the tenant. That is, it means that it is already connected with your tenant, and all the workloads automatically store their data in the Onelake workspace folder. We have already discussed this, and all the data is organized in an intuitive hierarchical namespace. So for anyone, either it's a technical person or a non-tech person, they can easily access the data. But there is also one thing, that the security. So we can also enable security. Let's say there is some confidential data which we don't want to show to end user, so we can hide them. We can apply row level security, we can apply object level security, so that the sensitive data is secured. So in this way, your data is protected as well as easily accessible in both the scenarios. So this is all about Onelake. Next we will discuss the services provided within Microsoft Fabric in next video.